Alright, welcome back everybody. So today, we're gonna make a nice pizza on the NexGrill BBQ. And all you need is one of our pizza steels. We have them on Amazon and our website. So what we got here today is actually we're using a pre-made crust from the grocery store. Here's how we're looking so far. It's been about 5 minutes or so. So yeah, we're gonna close the lid and let it keep cooking. Oh, and by the way, we do have only one burner on and it's set to low. The other burner is turned off. And also, you might want to get one of these infrared thermometers so you can monitor the temperature of the pizza steel. So it's been about another 5 minutes or so, and I'm gonna check the bottom side of the crust, make sure it's not burning, and then I'm gonna give it a spin. Let's see what we got going on here so far. So here's how it looks. You can see the top still needs to be cooked a little more. So we're gonna keep on trucking here. Okay, so it's been about another 5 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a peek, the bottom side of the crust, and give her another spin. Oh yeah, and by the way, I should probably mention the temperature we're cooking at on the pizza steel. So I like my pizza steel to get to about 400 degrees or so. Okay, here's how we're looking so far, about 8 minutes later. Check out the crust. You can see the leoparding on the bottom side of the crust a little bit. And yeah, I do have to say, even though this was a pre-made pizza crust from the grocery store, it was still pretty good. I'll show you guys how it looks in a second here. And boom, here's what we got, guys. Came out pretty good. Listen to that crust when I slice it. Oh man, so good. So I did kind of use a lot of sauce for this pizza, but that's okay. That's what's cool about making your own pizza at home. You can make it however you want. But yeah, check out that crust. Whew. Let's go for a bite. You know what? I think I need one more bite. Oh yeah. So that's gonna be about it, guys. Just want to show you that you can make a pizza at home on your NexGrill BBQ. Just get one of our pizza steels, and we'll see you in the next video.